Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I was trying to help somebody remove this hairline, and I did it with find and replace, and she has like X8, and find and replace is different than 19 and forward, I think. The other way to get rid of the hairlines would be to grab it all, go up to Object Group and ungroup all. Then holding down the Alt key and the Shift key, what that does, the Alt key will pick anything it touches. The Shift key will continue that. So I'm going to hold down the Alt and the Shift, and I'm just going to grab a box of those lines. And then I'm going to come down here while still holding down the Shift and the Alt key. And I've got them all selected, and I can go right here and no outline. So I've gotten rid, well, that didn't work because it got rid of that outline. I must have touched it too much. Let's try that again. Well, this is, it's all one piece. Let's try that again, holding down the Alt and the Shift. Alt and the Shift. Hit delete, or not delete, just hit no outline. There we go. I must have just been grabbing too much. So now the outline is gone, but her center outline is there. And later today, if I can figure out how to get my old computer to record a video, I'll do find and replace on this exact one with X7. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.